Hi everyone, and welcome to Cooking with Cricket. Today I'm bringing my son along, who will be actually doing this video and doing the cooking. He's going to make taco soup, and so y'all have seen my son a lot. So he went and bought the stuff and all, so I asked could I film it. So Alex, take it away.
You're going to be frying a pound of ground beef, browning it, and once it gets brown, we'll add all the ingredients.
But do you need to drain it if it's got a lot of grease in it?
Of course, always.
Alright, we'll bring you back as soon as the ground beef gets fried up.
Now, after draining your ground beef, place it back in the pan. Add 2/3 cup of water. Open up your taco seasoning. It can be any taco seasoning you like. I prefer Old El Paso hot and spicy. Not sponsored, by the way. Now add an 8-ounce can of tomato sauce. Take a little water in there to get the excess out. Yeah. And then you're going to take a small can of diced chilies. This is optional. I prefer my food to be hot. Add just a little bit of that in there. Not much. Just add about half the can. Then you're going to want to add a can of some petite diced tomatoes with the green chilies in them. Add that.
What size can?
And this is a 14.5 ounce can. Then you add a can of stewed tomatoes, 14.5 ounce can. And then you add a 14.5 ounce can of beef broth to it. And the corn too. Yeah, I completely forgot about the corn. I am not good at this filming. This is my first time filming, so yeah. And then you want to add a 15.25 ounce can of whole kernel corn to it.
That you drained.
That I previously drained. Because you don't want the taste of the sweet water in there. And we're going to let this simmer for a couple of hours and we'll be back.
A couple of hours?
Mm-hmm.
Does it have to simmer that long?
Yes.
Alright, so it's going to, do you cover it?
Yes.
So simmer covered. Very low simmer for a couple of hours, right?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. You gonna bring them back then?
I'll be bringing you back when it's done. And we're done after a couple of hours of simmering. You don't have to let it simmer for that long. It's just better to let it simmer to let the flavors mellow together. But this is the taco soup. And I hope you enjoy.
Could you top that with some sour cream or some chips or anything?
Any tortilla chips or any sour cream that you wish to top it with, why not?
Okay. Alright, wait, no need to try it.
What a tasty soup. Has a very taco taste since it's taco soup. I hope y'all enjoy.
Do you like it?
Yes.
Do you like it?
I do.
Will you be making it again?
If my mom wants me to.
Is it spicy?
Yes.
See, that's why I'm not trying it, because it's real spicy and I can't eat real spicy stuff. But it does look good. If I ate it and made it not so spicy, I would top it with sour cream and some chips and stuff.
Oh, that's you and not me. Alright, hope you enjoy.
I hope y'all enjoy my son cooking for you today. And I did have a request to do more soups and stuff. So thanks for watching. If you like this and like Alex cooking, please give him a thumbs up. Comment and let us know, because we love hearing from you. And until our next video, we hope you enjoy. Bye, y'all.